Hi there, what's up? In this video, I'll be giving you a quick guide on how you can withdraw money from MoneyGram. So please listen carefully to each step that I will be explaining because I will describe everything clearly so you can follow along. Before starting, make sure that you have your MoneyGram reference number and a valid ID, and this will help you safely receive money that is sent to you. So first, you will go to a MoneyGram agent location, and then next you will provide the agent with your reference number and a valid government issued ID. And after that, you will just have to confirm your identity and the agent may ask for security questions. Then you will specify the amount that you want to withdraw and make sure that it matches the sent amount. And finally, you will just have to receive your cash and receipt and keep the receipt for your records. And this is, by the way, the ways to receive money. It could be cash pickup, bank account, debit card, mobile wallet, and yeah, that's basically how you do it. And I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.